Okay guys, this is going to be a quick video. We're going to be talking about angles here. There are three different types of angles I want you to know. Acute, right, and obtuse. Okay. The first one that I want to talk is think about a cute little baby. Oh, how small they are. We talk about acute angles and we say that they are anywhere between 1 and 89 degrees. They are an angle that if we had this point here, and we were looking at this angle on the inside, an interior angle, it's less than a 90-degree angle. Well, let's talk about a 90-degree angle, which is essentially an L. It is smaller than this. We've closed it down smaller, and it's less than 90 degrees. This would probably be about 45 or 50 degrees. A right angle is very straightforward. It can only be 90 degrees. If it's a little bit more than 90 degrees, 90.5 degrees, that's not a right angle. That would be actually an obtuse. But a right angle is exactly 90. And we see a little box in the corner that represents 90 degrees. And then obtuse is an angle that is between 91 and 179 degrees. Be an angle that's more than a right angle, and that's, see how large that angle is there. That would be obtuse. Okay. These are the three that you need to know. If you have any questions, feel free to see me about it. One angle that we will talk about this year is a reflex angle. That's actually bigger than an obtuse angle, but that will come later. Thanks so much.